Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies. I will leave it here, guys. And one card for your love guidance. So we will leave this card here. And one fortune cookie card. So we will see what it is as we proceed, guys. Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Eight of Wands, Emperor, and King of Cups. So today in your circumstances, Sagittarius, you are feeling really happy, content, and whatever plans you have for your life, maybe for your future or for your present, is falling into place, and you are really happy, confident about the way things are going. And Sagittarius, you are a very loving and caring person. So you try to look after the people in your life, trying to be really helpful, friendly with them, and you are someone who has some beliefs or ideals and you stick to that, you follow that diligently, and that may be the way, that may be the right way of handling things for you guys, and that may be the reason things are going well in your life in a very harmonious way today, guys. Sagittarius, and you are someone who is reliable, trustworthy, and maybe that may be the reason people come to you for guidance or support, maybe for your ideas. So, even in this relationship, maybe this person asks you everything, maybe they feel that you are trustworthy, loyal, kind, compassionate, and a very caring and a loving person. And you are someone having a lot of patience, and you try to, what to say, do things in the right way, and you have a lot of experience, so you know what will work or what will be the right way to do, a right way to do things in any circumstances. And today in your life, in this relationship, guys, you are seeing some changes, some good changes, and things are speeding up maybe in this relationship. The way you are in this connection, you have a deeper level of understanding with this person. Mutual love, respect, and caring is there. And up, maybe you feel that this person is the right one for you, and this may be the time for you to pop the question, maybe of marriage or proposal. So it may be your energy or their energy. So this person is thinking of marriage, or you are thinking of marriage or commitment, and things are going in a positive way in this relationship, guys. Sagittarius. So we picked one card for your relationship. Let's see what it is. So it is Five of Cups. So maybe in this situation, in this relationship, you are wishing for certain things, maybe, and you are what to say, feeling sad for something you have lost. Maybe it may be something of your past. But if you want happiness today, Sagittarius, you must see what is your present circumstance. So instead of thinking of the past or regretting on certain things that you lost, you need to see the blessings you have. There are few blessings in your present circumstance. You must look for that, guys, instead of just brooding over what you lost. It may this card may relate to your past energy, Sagittarius. So with the previous cards we saw something positive happening in your life today. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card, guys. So we have 5 of swords. So maybe you are doing a lot, working a lot, maybe making a lot of efforts in your work situation. Though it may look like something difficult you are doing today, guys, you need to understand that all your efforts will never be wasted, guys. So maybe you may not see the results today, but good results are coming to you very soon, Sagittarius. So for your moon guidance, Sagittarius, let's see what is the card. We picked one card and it says expect powerful change. So in your circumstances today, guys, there are huge changes happening in your life today. You must be prepared. So it may be something uncomfortable or it may be something confusing you. You don't know where things will go or what will happen. But what is happening right now is happening for a reason, and you will know its true value, its true worth sometime, and you will understand it and appreciate it later on, guys. Maybe today you may not understand these changes, but you will definitely understand it in your future. And what is happening is for your highest good, and there is a huge turning point coming in your life today. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe past is past, Sagittarius. So maybe in your relationship you must give up your past memories or hurt, whatever you have, and move forward, because life evolves each and every day. So move forward with positive thinking in your heart, hopeful for a brighter, beautiful future with this person you love, Sagittarius. So for your love guidance today, guys, we picked one card and it says harmony. So harmony just means having that balance and peace of mind in our heart of hearts. So no matter what our circumstances are, when we are calm and composed, we will be able to handle any difficult situation with ease, guys. We will feel really cheerful and we will know what is the right thing to do in any given circumstance. And when we are at peace with ourselves, it is easier to be at peace with everything else today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the energy with this card for you all. So let's see what is your fortune cookie. It says jealousy. Watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. Spend time outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish. So you must be careful to whom you reveal your secrets, guys, because this person may not be trustworthy, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.